And thanks for joining us tonight at 5. A disturbing discovery in Minneapolis today. Several body parts were found in different locations just a few blocks from Boom Island Park.
A passerby made that discovery around 9:30 this morning, and shortly thereafter, body parts were found in at least one other location. Our Karen Scullin joins us now live. And Karen, this whole thing, very bizarre. What do we know so far?
Yeah, bizarre to say the least. Just moments ago, actually, the crime tape came down on this very strange story that's been developing throughout the day. As you said, we have at least 2 locations where human body parts were found. Obviously, just a ton of questions on this very disturbing story.
I think it's just more of a not knowing how to react to it because it's just not something that we ever see over here.
In northeast Minneapolis, behind the Ukrainian American Community Center, a person just walking by discovered a human body part behind the building and called 911.
Detectives are going through missing persons reports. We do believe that it is a Caucasian individual. We do not have a sex identified as of yet.
When we arrived, the body part was under a white sheet. We saw photos taken just before it was covered that showed it was a leg, just lying in the grass. It had been cut into several pieces. Crime scene investigators on site for hours processing the scene and gathering evidence. The medical examiner was also there.
It is very shocking and surprising. I think all the neighbors around here would never expect something like this in the neighborhood.
But as that situation was unfolding, another grisly sight discovered not far away. More body parts. It was nearby on 3rd Avenue Northeast. Police taping off that area too as the investigation grows bigger. According to a neighbor, they were found next to an SUV inside a bag. The questions everyone has right now are endless.
With everything going on, this is very different than the rest of the crime that's going on in the state. It's very unique, and so is this, with everyone being like cooped up? We talked earlier about with the pandemic. Is it, domestic? Is it, someone known? Is it something that's sending a message?
Police are looking for answers as well. They say call if you have anything that might help.
We encourage people to leave us tips. No tip is too small.